How to uninstall Voicemeeter driver completely. So, to uninstall Voicemeeter, you can use the driver store explorer. So, to fully uninstall the Voicemeeter, just follow these instructions. So first, in your browser, go to this website right here, which is a GitHub website. Then, click the latest version under the releases on the right side and tap on the zip file under the assets to download. So as you can see here, just tap right here and download it. And then, extract all the contents of the zip file and then double click on the wrap pr.exe file to run Driver Store Explorer. Then after opening this installer, go to the options and tick Use the DISM. Then locate the Voicemeeter driver file like this file right here, and then check the box of it, and then hit Delete Drivers. And then you can now restart your PC, and then try to install Windows 11 24H2, and the Voicemeeter driver error won't appear. You can also reinstall and uninstall the driver in this way. You can run cmd to delete the Voicemeeter driver. So first, launch the command prompt as an admin, and then in the cmd window, type this code right here, and then press enter. Then in your Emirates audio devices, find the item related to the Voicemeeter, like this file right here, and then note down the OEM number assigned to it, as you can see here. Then, final words, run the file to force delete the driver. And that's how you can delete or install the Voicemeeter driver completely.